All right, welcome back. Last part of this section is circles. So normally in class I would ask someone to define a circle for me. We don't have that luxury, so I will just define it for you. A circle is a set of points in the plane all equidistant to a given point called the center. Okay. The circle whose center is h comma k with radius r can be defined by the equation x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Okay, so r is that distance. This here is the distance formula. It's just squared. It's our distance formula from before. Okay, notice the opposite signs here on the center. So as an example, by the way, this is what's called the standard form. Okay, standard form for the equation of a circle. So as an example, let's take the circle with center 1, negative 2 and radius 3. So the equation is going to be x minus 1 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 9. Okay, notice again, the signs here are inverted on the equation. Okay, that's just how the distance formula works. Okay, let's do a couple more examples. Find the equation of the center of the circle centered at negative 4, 9 that touches. There's actually going to be two problems here. The y-axis exactly once, I don't know how to spell once. The x-axis exactly once. Okay, let's start by drawing the pictures. Okay, so let's say we have negative 4, 9. Okay, negative 4, 9 is here. So now, if it touches the y-axis exactly once, that means it's going to go like there, right? It's going to act right like that, okay? What is this distance? That distance is 4. So our radius here is going to have to be 4. So we're going to have x plus 4 squared plus y minus 9 squared equals 16. Okay? I'm going to let you guys figure this one out. Okay? I'm going to let you guys figure this one out. But I guess that doesn't really work, does it? But I want you guys to work on this one. Okay? So I'll let you guys do that one. All right. Let's do another one. Find the standard form of the circle x squared plus y squared plus 12x minus 16y plus 64 equals 0. So I'm going to put a separate video up on completing the square. And if you need to see more on completing the square, just take a look at that video. But we're just going to go ahead and do it and I'm going to assume that you know how to complete the square. But if you don't, just take a look at the other video I put up on completing the square. Okay, so I'm going to group the x terms and y terms together. And I'm going to put that 64 on its own over there. Now I'm going to complete the square here with the x squared plus 12x. Okay, so that means I'm going to have half of 12 is 6. 6 squared is 36. If I add it on that side, I have to add it on that side. Half of 16 is 8. 8 squared is 64. Add it on the left side, have to add it on the right side. Now, this is a perfect square. This is the perfect square of x plus 6. This is now a perfect square of y minus 8. Here we're left with just 36. So it is a circle, center at -6, 8, with radius 6. All right, that's it for 1.1. I'll see you, or you'll see me in the videos for 1.2 next.